Hello, my name is Ven, and I am Notagreatgamer, and welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, here in Stellaris, where I just really want to point out that one of our 3 wars, yes, we're only in 3, we finished one, there's now no more Hanseatic, there's now no more Habsburg, something or other. The Habsburgs are gone, well, actually they're part of the Teutons, which means that, they can actually, Habsburgs can now actually enter our territory and move in and do some cool stuff, if they want. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Castile, what are you doing? 236 military power. Anyway, one of these wars we're in. Just would like to point out. It is called the Unholy Axis, Righteous Axis Brawl. So it's a good old-fashioned fisticuffs between good and evil. Guess which side we're on? Yes, we're the Unholy Axis. On that note, we're about to free up this system here for our habitation. We have a colony ship ready to go. We're actually gonna steal this station or this system right out from underneath these guys, and then we're gonna go try to beat up on these guys. And then I think we're just gonna I'm probably gonna invade this planet, and then I'm going to invade the planet. I'm going to leave like 10k just sitting there and just ready to take these guys out, because I don't think they can don't actually think they can do anything to us. A spaceport battle that didn't actually happen. Okay. Ooh, Murano. Hey, Murano has completed its construction queue. Look, you can do even more. Yes, more money. More money. Oh, so good. So good. Okay. Yeah, we were really hurting for money a little bit ago, but not so much anymore.
Hostile fleet detected.
Okay,
Hostile fleet engaged.
Real quick question. You guys, are you merging yet? You guys, merge. Join.
Station under attack.
What was this? Yep, lost a spaceport to the Aztecs. We're gonna have to deal with that. We're gonna have to deal with that. You guys, come here. Come here. Come here. This is gonna take you forever. Oh my goodness. Come here. Come here. Oh my goodness. It's gonna be forever. Oh, why'd you gotta do that? You ruined everything. Okay, fine. Come here. Come here. Come here. And then like hide. Come around here. You don't seem, nobody's gonna see you, alright? Come right down there. Okay, fine. That's what we can do. Okay. Now blow it up. Blow it up dead.
Situation log updated. Station under attack. Hostile fleet detected.
Where? Where, I tell you? Where is it? Where? Hostile fleet. Don't see what you're talking about. I just don't. Oh, I guess I can kind of see it. I can kind of see it, what he's talking about, but that's not the station that's under attack.
Situation log updated.
No clue.
Construction complete. Station under attack. Hostile fleet detected.
Wait, you... Oh, hey, hang on. Oh, right, because I did that, that's no longer... Yeah, he's gonna just go straight here. That's so good. Oh, that's so good. You, move in. Ah. I'd like to select a star system, please. Can I select a star system? Nope, not what I want. Whatever.
Station under attack.
Oh, really? That's good to know. It's really good that you told me that. It's really good that you told me that. I'm sorry. I really shouldn't let this bug me so much, but bugs me. Here we go. Pick the planet. We're gonna have these guys as part of our empire long before another war ends. It's gonna be great.
Hostile fleet engaged.
There we go. Are we engaged already? Tell me we're engaged already.
Station under attack.
E3 spaceport. We did not actually lose the spaceport. No idea what just happened there, but okay. Oh! Hang on. Where are they? Don't know what's going on.
Station under attack. Hostile fleet detected.
Oh, you guys. Yeah, I'd love to take you. Okay. Okay, guys. You. Split fleet. You. Head here. Just go there first, and then we'll see what we can do.
Debris analyzed. Hostile fleet detected.
Debris? Anything good? Nope. Okay. I don't know what half of this stuff means, but it's kind of useless, which is bad design. So, there you go. What are you doing? You're idle. Oh, you're idle. That's not cool.
Hostile
Kill
fleet
them.
detected.
You're not gonna be able to. They're gonna move. Where you
Hostile
going?
fleet detected.
Where are you going? Yeah, you're leaving too. You know what we're probably gonna do? We're probably just gonna start blowing up their, Yep. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Follow them. Perfect. Hang on. Don't do that. Watch. Watch.
Station under attack. Hostile fleet detected. Station under attack.
Thanks for letting me know that a station is under attack. What happened? I'm really actually hating this game right now. I don't know why we went from positive 80 to negative 64. It could be because a station is under attack, but I don't know which station. It could be that something was getting us a lot of money. Don't know where. Not a clue. Don't know. Don't know. Nope. Nope, don't know. I'm really kind of hating this game right now. Okay, we need to finish someone off. I think it actually needs to be the Koreans. Just finish them off, make them dead. Wonder if we can actually polish these guys off. No. Okay, hang on. Is there a... Okay, you guys merge up. And then, actually, you know what I want you to do? I need you to blow up everything in here. They don't have the station. Okay. They don't have a wormhole station.
Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log updated.
Nice.
Station under attack. Situation log updated.
It is so good that they told me that I have a station under attack.
Construction ship
Somewhere.
under attack. Research complete.
I don't know. I'm really sorry that I'm complaining so much, but imagine this. There are huge things going on in your empire. Just massive things going on in your empire. Entire you know, all kinds of infrastructure is just being destroyed. It's just rampant. You're losing money because of it. It's just everywhere. It's horrible. It's an absolutely horrifying thing to have happen. And here's the thing. They don't tell you at all what's going on. I have no idea what's going on. I have no way to find out what's going on. There's nothing to click on. Thank you. Blew up spaceport. Cool. Oh, sweet. Embor is mine. Yes! I'll tell you what. I'm gonna pawn this off. It's only gonna be like a 8-point swing, but that's okay. Florida sector. Manage sector. Fit. No. Oops. Oh, I wanted. Florida sector. Manage sector. Have that. Have that. Ooh, have that. Cool. Just deal with it. Yeah, we still don't have atmospheric manipulation. That's okay. Okay, so physics research. Physics research. See, what is this quantum destabilizer? Fortress. Offensive aura inhibitor. Effect on hostile ships. Minus 15% fire rate. Oh, it does the same thing for the different types of stations. It's interesting. It's rare. It would mean that we should actually build stations, which I'm just not sure we're going to ever do. Alternatively, we have Guardian Point Defense, which is good. Gamma lasers, which are also good. It's slightly more expensive. I think we're just going to go Point Defense. It's going to take us 5 years, but that's okay. We are still president, but not for that much longer. Okay. Oh, yeah, finish. Okay. There we go. Okay, fleets. Blow some things up. Okay? Can you blow things up? I'd love you to blow some things up. Now. Where's my transport fleet at? You're up. Oh, you're up there. That's fine. Okay.
Hostile fleet engaged. Construction complete.
Yeah, see, this is unacceptable.
Station under attack.
Why is that? No, I don't know why that is.
Construction ship under attack.
Do you have tachyon? I think they may have tachyon lances. Ooh, hang on. Hey, who is this? This is Ulm? No, who are these guys? Got the Brits. The big ones, yeah, they're probably Ulm. Ulm, actually. These Ulm Sons guys actually like us, but actual Ulm. That's so great. They have a Venetian. Nice. They're fanatic Xenophile pacifists. That's so cool. Okay. But they're pathetic. They have equivalent technology. I wonder if they have tachyon lances. That would be interesting.
Evading hostile fleet.
Sure you are. Where? Oh, that, yeah. Mm-hmm. How come it's so hard for us to blow you up? Really, how come it's so hard
updated.
to blow you
Station
up?
under attack.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for letting me know that, guys. Mm-hmm. Sorry, I'm not gonna do it anymore. I'm sorry. So my science vessel is gonna come through here. We are going to actually pick up that some of this research. Upgrade fleet to latest designs. Okay. Are we gonna get these guys? I don't think so. We're just not gonna. So I'm not really gonna try. Did that affect the war? Yes, it did. That was worth, like, I think 2 war score. That's what it looks like. Okay. That's right. That's what we're gonna do. Okay. So, my fleet split in half, and then second fleet also split in half. So third fleet with about 10,000. You know what you're gonna do? You're gonna actually no, don't do that. Everybody merge up. Oh, hang on. Okay, merge up, and actually no, I was gonna say beat the crap out of that, but transport fleet's gonna be a little bit. So it's fine. Okay. Third fleet, go there, blow it up. Second and first fleet, merge. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Okay.
Construction ship under attack.
It's good to know. Okay, see, that at least is telling me what's going on. Okay, cool. Which war is the most able to just be swung and done? Okay, cool. Let's do this. Second fleet, all 26,000 of you. Come with me. Cross the galaxy, do a bunch of stuff. Okay, killed that. First things first, kill that. Then kill this. Then kill that. Then kill that. If anything gets in your way, destroy it. Destroy this. And then, finally, go to the capital. It's gonna take forever, but that's okay.
Station under attack.
It's a good thing you told me that.
Station under attack. Construction ship under attack.
That is the most annoying thing. A Venetian extremist militia group recently staged an attack against a major Venetian superior city on Spalato with the Titans. The inhabitants were massacred by the thousands and their homes razed to the ground. A message left by the attackers on the planetary data net simply states, Spalato with the Titans belongs to Venetians. Worrying. A Venetian superior pop on Spalato with the Titans dies.
Station under attack.
Good thing you told me.
Evading hostile fleet. Station under attack.
Oh my goodness, it's infuriating. It's infuriating to hear that. Where? I'm not aware. No. Your station's under attack. You better do something about it. I don't know. Oh, it's infuriating. It's just... I can't imagine that you could design a worse... yeah, it's just the worst. It's the worst. It is the worst. Okay. Yeah, we haven't even done anything with the unholy axis, or with the righteous axis yet. Ooh, wow, they have quite the little pile of fleet there. You know, maybe that's what we do first, because I actually think we can take them out pretty quickly. And I think they're actually doing some damage. So, and it will keep our fleet a little bit closer together. So you know what? I hate this so bad. Oh wait, how's our colonization cost? Okay. Beginning to wonder if what we should actually do is take this fleet and actually split it, like take part of it and have two sort of half fleets instead of 1/4 fleet over here. That would be kind of bad. That being said, I would take this fight.
Station under attack.
I would totally take this
Research
fight.
complete. Station under attack.
The worst part about this whole thing is I feel like all this station under attack is probably the reason why we're losing so much. But I don't know what to do about it. Don't know. Don't know. I actually need none of this. Like, this is going to be one of those things that I do to get something out of my queue. None of this is interesting. Okay, it looks like naval capacity plus 10. Mm-hmm. That's awesome. Okay. So you guys are bombing. Good.
Evading hostile fleet.
That's good. Okay.
Evading hostile fleet. Evading hostile fleet. Construction complete. Station under attack.
It's so hard for me not to say anything right now. Real quick, Murano. Any upgrades? Yeah. I can upgrade. You'll probably see an angry tweet go out. Well, you've probably already seen it if you follow me. It's the most infuriating thing ever. I really respect Paradox, which is one of the reasons I think this is
Hostile fleet
so horrifying.
Hostile fleet detected.
What's this? Ooh, 4th mycelium carriers. Hey. Hang on. Hang on. It's the 3rd fleet. Come on over. Can we get him? Can we get him? What are they going for? They're going for something. Are they going for my transports? They might be. The transports are going to jump for...
under attack.
They can do anything now.
Hostile fleet detected. Station under attack.
So I'm taking my transports, and I'm telling them to leave the system for one thing.
Station under attack.
Oh hey look, I know what station's under
Hostile
attack
fleet
now!
detected.
Look, it's
Hostile
amazing,
fleet
guys!
engaged. Station under attack. Hostile fleet detected. Station under attack.
Maybe there will be a mod. Of course I can't use mods right now because I'm out of date.
Evading hostile
What was
fleet.
that?
Construction ship
Okay.
under attack. Hostile fleet engaged.
There we go.
Colony
2
established.
on 1.
Situation log updated.
Okay. You know what? Actually, I wonder. Venezia. How are your... Oh, you're still doing capacity overload. Okay. Too many minerals. Well, I know what to do about that. Have more, guys. Eat them up. Paros, you're gonna be in trouble for a little while until I give you, like, everything. Crossroads have some stuff. Great White North, yeah! Just get it all. Eat it all, kids. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay. All that's there actually is a transport fleet. It's kind of funny. Let's have this battle finish. I will
Station under attack. Hostile fleet detected. Station under attack.
Might actually use
Station
that
under
station.
attack. Hostile fleet engaged.
Big Blue Blob has declared the Ottomans their rival. Well, you're at war with them, you might as well, right?
Situation log updated. Station under attack.
Excellent.
Hostile fleet engaged. Situation
Where is
log
Schiaparelli?
updated.
Get over here. And there we go. Yeah, do the same thing you were gonna do, except go there. Ooh, hey, hang on. You guys, can you kill it? Can you kill it? And there. At least chase him off, right? You're like, uh-oh. No, 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 nope, 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 nope.
Station under attack.
Look, I lost a spaceport. No idea where. Well, Spenico, actually. Okay. Oh, did they jump out? Oh, that's so annoying. We may actually have to go after the Unholy Axis first. Second Fleet? Just kidding. You know where you were gonna go? Don't do that. Come to Paros. Okay. Yeah, leave, leave, leave. Cool. And then this fleet, yeah, come back here. Beat that up. We'll take it over. That'll be great. Well, oh man, I have to stop. For one thing, the timer went off, and for another thing, the little man who says "station under attack," I kind of want to just slit his throat. It's really, really, really horrible, and I hate it. So what are you gonna do? Okay, actually, Second Fleet, don't do that. You see this guy right here? Kill him. And then, come on over here. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go. I'd say I enjoyed myself, but I kind of didn't. We're winning. I mean, we really are. There's only so much they can do. A bunch of space battles that don't really exist. Like, okay, what is that? What happened there? I don't know. Nope, don't know. Oh, you know what it was? I bet you I know what it was. I bet you stupid Big Blue Blob sent stuff where they weren't supposed to. Or the Byzantines. I wonder if I could find where the Byzantine stuff is. I wonder if I just confused the AI so bad that my my allies don't know what to do. But anyway, I did not enjoy myself. I really didn't. I apologize for the inordinate amount of sass that I had. But that is something that needs to be fixed, and it needs to be fixed desperately. And I just hope that ends up happening. Also, hey, guess what? Well, first things, let's do this. Species. Come on. Let's go sort by population. Oh wow. What happened to the Ivzorak? There's only 2 of them left. No, guys, don't do that. Hey, hang on. Where's this? We know of only 4 pops of Larongo living on 0 planets in our galaxy. What? No, don't let him go, you know, extinct or something. Okay, so we're gonna find these Mykonos guys. Oh, I think I might know what's going on there. Percent? No, never mind. So we can uplift them. And this will be pretty quick. Arctic world is fine. Really doesn't matter, because we're not going to be settling Arctic worlds with them. We're going to be settling 2 worlds, and that's amazing. So let's give them something that's going to make them good for us. Let's give them, like, industrious? Oh, that's it. We'll give them, like, charismatic. No, not charismatic. But nomadic and communal. There we go. They'll be happy. They'll move around a lot. They'll be fine. And it's going to be there. That Arctic world. Cool. And that will take...
updated.
Exactly, I don't know. It'll take a month. So let's do that. Let's do that. Let's take a break from naval capacity plus 10%, because let's be honest, I don't need that. And we will have a nice new addition to our species, our little country. It'll be great. I'm really looking forward to that. I do look forward to seeing you next time, even if I will do better about just ignoring that stupid little man. Anyway, bye folks.